Is it taping?
Yeah, it's taping now.
I think you can't pause this, can you?
I don't think the arcade ones you can.
Kitty's got to be in there.
Well, yeah, Molly's a pack maniac apparently.
Well, walk around and show so she can see the back of it and all that.
Yeah. So there's the side completed. There's the back all completed. Finally. And back to the other side. Oh, don't want to turn that sideways. That'll just get goofy.
Damn it! That fucking red one again.
With the back panel, you can see inside all the goots. The other cool thing is the integrated keyboard controller holster. I wonder. Well, I don't know.
What's the matter? Damn, right into it.
Oh, battery.
Of course, I told you. That's okay, you got enough, didn't you?
Yeah, I think so. Battery is these.
We have one in the truck. Damn!
That's the lit up Marquis.
Here we go.
There we go.
Ta-da! It's so awesome. We know Daddy kicks ass. Game over.